Using ProGet's feed importer feature, package migration is really simple and takes just minutes. In this video, we're going to take a look at how this feature moves packages from your Sonatype Nexus repository to ProGet. It's fast and straightforward, and it only requires your Nexus URL and your credentials. Okay, so let's start by opening ProGet. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set up a feed that we can migrate our packages to. So let's head over to Feeds and Create. Alright, now we're going to choose our package type, and for this demonstration, let's just go ahead and use NuGet packages. Cool, now we're going to choose our feed type, and since we're migrating from Sonatype Nexus, let's go ahead and create a private feed. So now we'll name the feed, and let's go ahead and call it Internal NuGet. And create. Cool, now it's created. So let's go ahead and start connecting to Sonatype Nexus. So first we're just going to import packages. And now we're going to go ahead and download packages from another service. And here we're going to choose Sonatype Nexus as we want to connect to it. Now we're going to enter our Nexus URL along with our username and password. Nice. Now we're going to choose our repositories. So the cool thing is that ProGet automatically filters to make finding your repository much easier. So let's go ahead and use test NuGet as seen earlier. Then we'll go ahead and confirm the import. Nice. Now the only thing left to do is we'll start importing, and ProGet will migrate all your packages from Sonatype Nexus. Cool, and that's it. Nice work moving your packages from Sonatype Nexus to ProGet.